In this video, I will show you how to play Roblox on 2 accounts at the same time. First, check which version of Roblox you already have installed. Open the Start menu, search for Roblox, and look at the available options. If it shows Roblox Player, you have the desktop version. If it shows App Settings, you have the Microsoft Store version. To use 2 accounts at the same time, you'll need both versions installed. If you don't have the desktop version, go to the Roblox website, sign in, open any game, click Play, then download and install Roblox Player. Once it's installed, sign in with your second Roblox account. If you don't have the Microsoft Store version, open the Microsoft Store, search for Roblox, and install it. After the installation is complete, open the app and sign in with your other Roblox account. Once both versions are installed, launch each one and sign in with a different account. You can resize and move the windows to play both accounts at the same time. If you don't want to install both versions, you can also use another device, such as a phone, tablet, or console, and sign in with your second Roblox account. And that's how you can play Roblox on 2 accounts at the same time.